Hello SiLLibakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. Today is a recipe for those chocolate peppermint lovers out there. I am included. So this is a chia seed pudding and we are incorporating chocolate and peppermint. So chia seed pudding, if you guys don't know, is a very, very simple thing to make. The ratio is 1/2 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. That's it. That's the ratio. That's what you need. So you add whatever milk you like. You do the 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and then you can do some vanilla. You can do whatever extracts you like, and then sweetener. You can pretty much add whatever sweetener you like. I did maple syrup for this recipe. I did 1 tablespoon for the 1/2 cup of milk to 2 tablespoons of chia seed. But again, you guys do whatever you like. This was very much inspired by peppermint patties. I love peppermint patties, I always have. And I was craving that, and I usually crave that around this time of the year. So this recipe is the chia seed pudding, and then there's a chocolate shell that goes on top. So you're gonna melt down your chocolate with some coconut oil, and then you're going to place that on top of the chia pudding, and you're gonna put it in the fridge, and then it gets really hard, and then you crack it with your spoon, and it's glorious. So I also decided to crush some candy canes on top, so it really gives you that candy cane peppermint kind of vibe, and I love it, love it, love it. So it's so simple to make. This is going to be a quick video. You know, if you love chocolate and peppermint, guys, you're really going to love this recipe. So, and I'm looking forward to eating it as my dessert for this evening. So let's learn how to make this really delicious chocolate peppermint chia seed pudding. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to help our channel grow. This has been an absolute pleasure for me to do every week. I love it. I look forward to it. And I love you guys for commenting on the recipes and really being incredible to me and really supporting the channel. So thank you, thank you, thank you. So let's get to the recipe. So I'm going to actually blend my chia seed pudding. So this is 1/2 cup of milk. I'm using soy milk here. This is 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Do whatever sweetener you like. This is peppermint extract. I'm actually going to use 1/4 of a teaspoon. We're going to use pure vanilla. I'm going to eyeball it. This is probably about 1/2 a teaspoon. 1 tablespoon of cacao powder. Cocoa powder or cacao will work here. And this is 1 serving, 10 grams of collagen powder. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. I love to blend my chia pudding for a couple reasons. It will set a lot faster, and it also changes the consistency, so it's more of a pudding-like consistency. I'm going to transfer to a bowl, and then I'm going to refrigerate. When you blend it, you actually reduce the refrigeration to about an hour. With regular chia pudding, you need at least 3 hours. So I'm going to melt some chocolate. I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of chocolate chips plus 1.5 teaspoons of coconut oil and 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract. I'm going to use a double boiler, but you guys melt your chocolate the way you normally would. So after about an hour, my chia pudding has set. So I'm actually just going to spread the chocolate evenly. And I'm just going to grab maybe about a teaspoon or so of crushed candy cane. Use whatever peppermint candy you like. This is optional, guys. You don't have to do this, but I think it really takes it over the top. We're going to refrigerate this for about 30 minutes until that shell gets nice and hard, and then you could just crack it and enjoy. Enjoy our chocolate peppermint chia seed pudding. So good. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try this chocolate peppermint chia seed pudding, let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy baking.